The song's called Davar the Honorific. My name is Davar, and I am allowed to tell you everything that you've heard about. Davar the strong, the quick and the great, sit right there and I'll elaborate. As Davar the young, I took a shine to staring at grapes until they turned to wine, with the brows so fierce and hearts so fearless. I stared them into a drink that is peerless. And Davar the good saw one night goblins giving a village a fright, walked into their camp while they were at rest, and walked right out with the goblin skin vest. Oh, Davar the young and Davar the good, Davar did what anyone would. Oh, Davar the honorific, it said, always believe the things that you read. Always believe the things that you read. Well, Davar the mighty fought in the war. Which war, you ask? Well, I'm not really sure. Wherever there was a fight that's beguiling, Davar was at the front of it smiling. And Davar the scarred is covered in cuts, each one from a critter that had no ifs or buts. A slash from a dragon, a gouge from a shark, and a bite from your brother as we fucked in the dark. Oh, Davar the mighty and Davar the scarred, Davar won't have her legacy marred. Oh, Davar the honorific, it said, always believe the things that you've read. Always believe the things that you've read. Well, Davar the lonesome took a wound to the knee. Beautiful and sexy and wise he would be, but she didn't know just what she was getting, and he tried to kill Davar at the wedding. Now Davar the free roams the land, looking for anyone who needs a hand, or maybe just a grand tale to be told, with payment in smiles, whiskey or gold. Oh, Davar the lonesome and Davar the free, Davar is happy to do as she please. Oh, Davar the honorific, it said, always believe the things that you read. Oh, Davar the brave and Davar the bold, Davar has seen legends untold. Oh, Davar the honorific, it said, always believe the things that you read. Always